Welcome student SY FC semester 3. Today's topic is Nature of Science, Principle and Characteristics. Myself Dr. Arun. Let's begin with objectivity. Science along with art, religion and philosophy has been called the four major achievements of the human mind. Science depends upon objective methods and produces objective results. Objectivity means something that does not depend upon personal beliefs, opinions or tastes. Science results are objective. Progressive. Scientific knowledge when corrected leads to new concept when maybe one step ahead. As more facts are tested and proved, science progresses. The progressive nature of science allows to discard certain theories. Universal basic ideas. Science also assumes that the universe is a vast single system in which basic rules are the same everywhere. Knowledge gained from studying one part of the universe is applicable to other parts. For example, the laws of motion are applicable to all forms of forces such as vehicles, sailboats, massive stars, etc. Scientific knowledge is empirically based. Empirical refers to knowledge claims based upon observation of the natural world, while some scientific ideas are theoretical and are derived from logic and reasoning. All scientific ideas must ultimately conform to observational or experimental data. Reliable and tentative knowledge. Many scientific ideas have remained largely unchanged over a long period of time. However, scientific knowledge can change in the light of new evidence and new ways of thinking. Observation and inferences. Scientific knowledge is the product of observation and inference. Observations are made from information gathered with the five senses, often augmented with technology. Inferences are logical interpretation derived from a combination of observation and prior knowledge. Creative thinking. Scientists do not solely rely on logic and rationality. In fact, creativity is a major source of inspiration and innovation. In science, scientists often use creative methods and procedures throughout investigation, bound only by the limitation that they must be able to justify their approaches to satisfaction of their peers. Laws and theories are different. A scientific law is description of generalized relationship or pattern based on many observations. Scientific laws describe what happens in the natural world and are often expressed in mathematical terms. Scientific methods. There exists no single scientific method used by all scientists. Rather, scientists use a variety of approaches to develop and test ideas and to answer research questions. These include descriptive studies, experimentation, correlation, and so on. Science explain and predict. Science has the ability to show the relationship among phenomena which normally could be treated as unrelated. For example, the theory of moving continent has emerged by relating various concepts like earthquake, fossil types on different continents, shapes of different continents, etc. And finally, science cannot answer all questions. Science has its own limitation. It cannot provide answer to all questions. For example, who can conclude all the advances in cancer treatment at once or in few months, even if we have enough funding and resources? Or who can answer the question, what is the true meaning of life? Thank you.